Good evening, little ones. I'm T.T. Rabbit. Tonight's story is about a little otter. He was a little afraid of the sound of water. Now, let's walk into the forest together.
One evening, the little otter was walking along the forest path. As he walked, he heard the soft sound of water far away. He stopped right where he was. Even his little ears tucked in a bit. The little otter hurried behind a big rock. He curled up into a tiny little ball. He liked the rustle of leaves. He liked the breeze moving through the grass too. But the stream kept going swish, swish. And it always made him want to hide. After a little while, the little otter peeked out from behind the rock. He quietly looked toward the stream. Moonlight lay on the water. It looked soft and bright. But the sound of the water still kept him from going any closer. This time, the little otter did not run away. He sat down beside the rock and quietly listened to the stream in the distance. As he listened, he began to notice that the sound of water carried the evening breeze and the soft whisper of leaves. Slowly, the little otter stood up. He found a little bit of courage. Then he took a few small steps. He came to the stream and quietly watched the water flowing by. The sound was still there, but this time, it did not seem quite so scary. At last, the little otter sat on a small stone. He gently dipped his little feet into the water. Tiny ripples spread out across the stream. He listened to the soft sound of the flowing water. And little by little, his heart grew calm. That was when he understood. Some sounds can become gentle if we let ourselves move a little closer.
Later, the little otter remembered that some sounds may feel scary at first. And that is all right. If we listen a little at a time, they may begin to feel soft and safe. Little ones, good night. Let's say good night quietly with T.T. Rabbit.